Hey guys, this is Miss Brim. I'm going to show you how to turn on autocorrect, autocapitalization, and auto punctuation. And I'm also going to show you a couple other cool features that the iPad has for like spelling help. So I turned off all of my features and notice up here that I've typed out a sentence that looks pretty rough. The sky is blue. My first word is not capitalized. I have 2 spelling mistakes and there's no period at the end. Now, I want to turn on the features on my iPad that are going to help me out, and it's going to catch the mistakes for me. And normally I have all of these things on, like for my iPad and my phone anyway, because sometimes we make a mistake when we spell, and that's okay. So I am going to start out at general, and this isn't an accessibility feature, this is just under general. Okay, so you're just going to stay here, see where my little blue line is, it's highlighted, it says general. I'm at the top, I'm going to scroll down until I see keyboard. Now, I am going to turn on auto capitalization, auto correction, smart punctuation. Smart punctuation is a little bit more helpful for whenever you're writing paragraphs rather than like 1 or 2 sentences, but it doesn't hurt to turn it on. And then I'm also going to turn on check spelling. It's just kind of like another feature to help make sure that that our words are being spelled correctly. So now I'm going to type the same sentence. Okay, so I did not hit the shift key on my keyboard to type that. It just capitalized the T automatically because it recognized that it's the first word of the sentence. So it did it by itself. So that's the auto capitalization feature. Now I'm going to write sky. Oh, that's not right. So I want to click on the word and it's going to pop up some suggestions. And I'm like, oh yeah, sky only has 1 Y. So I'm going to click sky. And now it's right. And that red line went away. And is blue. Oh, that's wrong too. I'm going to click on it. Okay, sometimes you might run into the problem of your iPad being kind of touchy and it's kind of hard to click on the word. So if you click on the word and all these like options pop up, all you're going to do is you're going to hit select, replace, and there it is. There's your spelling options. So I say, oh yeah, like since the U is long, I'm going to have a silent E at the end. Blue. The sky is blue. And I'm going to go ahead and put a period at the end because like I said, that smart punctuation is more so a tool for whenever you're writing like paragraphs, not necessarily just like 1 sentence. So that's how that works. I do want to show you one other feature. Parents, you can talk to your child about using this. I believe that we have a couple of students that have an accommodation for something like this. But yeah, we don't want to replace learning to type properly or write or spell or anything like that. These are just little helpful tools to use. So I'm on the same place that I was on. I'm in keyboards and the general settings. And down here, I have this little thing that says predictive. So I'm going to turn that button on. Now I'm going to go back and you might already see the difference. Notice at the very, very bottom of the screen that I have some words that popped up. It's already predicting what I might say. So I'm going to say the Okay, so my iPad is recognizing that I am writing out "the sky is blue" a lot. So it didn't just give me one word suggestion, it gave me the rest of my sentence. I could literally just click "sky is blue" and it finishes the sentence for me. Okay, not necessarily saying that it's going to do that for you all the time. Like, your iPad can't read your mind. It just recognized the pattern in this particular document that I'm writing "the sky is blue" over and over and over again. So our iPads are actually pretty smart. So I'll show you, I'm going to do it again. Normally you're not going to have the rest of your sentence. You'll just do it a word at a time. So if you start typing "sky," oh, that's what I want. I'm going to click that. Oh, there's blue. I'm going to click that. And there's your sentence. So that's another cool feature. It's pretty helpful for when you're typing out longer words. So if I had like a really long word that I had to type out, but I'm not the best typer and your iPad recognizes what you're trying to type, that might be a helpful little tool for you to use. So I hope that this was helpful. And if you have any questions, send me an email and I will try to help you out.